Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to create TikTok business account. Alright, it's very easy guys. Now let's get started with the first step, which is installing the TikTok application on your phone. So simply head to the Play Store or App Store to install the TikTok app. Now once you have it installed on your phone, go ahead and open it. And if you're opening it for the first time, this is the kind of interface you're going to find. You'll be asked to sign up for TikTok. Now you can either sign up using your phone number or email, or you can continue with your Facebook, Apple ID, Google, or Twitter. Now I'm going to simply continue with my Facebook account. Click on my Facebook option there, click on continue, and you'll be asked to open Facebook. So go ahead and click on the open. It's very much easy if you're using the Facebook. Okay, so I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to click on continue button. I already have an account using this Facebook, so it's just going to open the account for me. I have some followers on these account already, so right here. Now this is my account. Now once you sign up for TikTok, because that's the first step. Once you sign up for TikTok, the next thing you have to do is to switch to a business account, because this account right now is still on a personal account, so I need to switch to a business account. Now if you want to do that, from here just click on these three lines at the top right corner of your screen, go to settings and privacy, then at the top you're going to find manage account. Click on that, and right here you find the option to switch to a business account. Alright, this account is already on a business account, okay, because I'm saying switch to a personal account. So if you're saying switch to a business account, then you have to click on that. But okay, let me just switch to a a personal account and show you how you can do that. All right, so right now I'm on a personal account. All right, so yeah, I'm getting the option to switch to a business account, because that's all we want to do right here. So I'm going to click on switch to a business account, this one. I'm going to click on that, and then we'll start the process. Now here you have to get information about what the business account is all about. Here you have to learn about your customers, use loyalty free sounds, get inspired, access business suite tools. Right, so these are the things you're going to get if you switch to a business account. Right, now the next thing is to switch is to choose a category of what kind of business are you running. For example, I'm going to choose beauty. Yeah, this one. And then I'm going to click on next, and I'll be asked to add my email, or I can skip this part. And right here it says profile completed, create a video now. Alright, I'm going to click on maybe later, and you are all set. So once you head back to your profile, if you want to confirm if you are on a business account, if this account is now a business account, this is how to do that. Click on the three lines at the top right corner again, and here you can get your creator tools, business suite. Yeah, the creator tools and the business suite. Now if you click on the creator tools, for example, then you're going to get all this. You get your analytics, creator portal, Q&A. Now this analytics helps you to get insights about your account. Alright, so this is how you can basically know that you are on a business account. Once you have these creator tools and the business suite, then you know you are on a business account. Alright guys, this is how you can create TikTok business account. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more useful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys, and I will see you in my next video.